morning, everybody. Good morning. What is your name, Hannah?
Yeah, good morning.
Why are your eyes red? Are you sick?
Because I have like
Are you
some kind of
crying?
eye infection.
Oh, okay, don't touch me.
Well, don't.
I'm moving your eyes.
Touch it all of a sudden.
Is it contagious?
Maybe. I mean, I haven't been to the doctor yet.
Oh, that's nice.
But I have.
Okay, so there's only like 4 of us in this class right now. Not that we usually do much anyways, but now we're doing even less. So we're looking at plants and walking around the entire school because everybody else is taking the ACT. So today is just do nothing at all. Alright, so we just walked all the way to the next neighborhood. It took us, we spent like 45 minutes, but it's really nice. I really like this class and the people in it too. Like last semester I didn't at all, but this one is really cool, especially the seniors. I just get along with them very well. It's been such a good year. But the band hall, the wind ensemble that I saw last week, the dude with the drum set, I remember like 2-3 videos ago, they're coming here and playing. So I'm going to help them set up if they're not already set up. Alright, good news. I just got done at the pawn shop, and that camera that I've been talking about in there, I can buy it on March 8th. And I'm not 100% sure for how much though, but either way, it's going to be a lot cheaper than trying to buy a brand new one that I need. It's a Canon 80D, and I probably won't use it a lot during the school year just because I don't want to be carrying a giant camera like that to school walking around just because it's not very convenient. My GoPro's fine for that. But starting this summer, I do want to start using that camera specifically for stuff that I'm doing. Only thing is, I got to get my financials in order. Because again, still saving up to go to Europe. Now I need to save up for this camera and all the accessories that go with it, which should not be a lot. And it will be fine to pay for. I just got to get... I'm going to save up enough for Europe first before I spend a lot of money. And I'm getting there though. So we're chilling. Extra chilling. The Titan. It is. Look at him.
And letter K, ready, and... I can't believe they didn't write a song whistle part for this. Ready? One. Who pulls out a song whistle out of that bag?
I don't know what I was expecting with that
All right,
one.
here we go. Okay. One and three, letter K, 2, ready, and... Signals.
Why are my dogs in the car?
Look at the clouds. Look, there are the dogs. Look, it's Grayson's dogs.
I'm just saying, protein's the best.
Hello, everybody.
I didn't have to work. I'm sorry that you don't work.
Oh, they sneezed on me.
Don't make
Gross.
$9 an hour.
Alright, see ya.
I make $7.25. Let make 9.
Gross.
I'm like, I don't really understand.
She's trying to French braid my hair. Hannah did it like 2 weeks ago, and I told her to do it.
Oh, yeah,
She's doing a terrible
this
job.
angle is better.
This is like the second time she's had to try to. Awful. She. Eva.
Hey, the video of us getting in the mini store is funny anyway.
Is
Comedy.
that online?
Yeah, it's online.
Oh God.
It's there. You're like, I'm not a dumbass.
The break.
Can I tell what's happening up here? Does this look good?
Uh-huh.
No? Maybe a little bit?
It's better than
she
the
says
last
yes,
one.
I'll agree with
You
it.
get a trim up around your ears. Look funny.
I'm telling you, we
Mhm.
gotta get this even.
I got some clippers on.
You're not doing anything.
I have cut Harrison's hair many times. And Adam's. But
She says my hair's uneven.
you need to cut it right across there. It's not much. It's
I
just
hear
a
you.
tiny
I
little
see what
spot.
you're talking about, but it's you can only tell whenever it's up like this. Ozzy, what are you doing?
Oh my God.
Alright everybody, we're done for today. Obviously my hair is no longer in a braid. I took a shower using my organic shampoo just to because I think it makes it look prettier, but that's just my own opinion. Anyways, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.